Hello.
Jambo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili, all night in Swahili with
Fresh
and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to review some of the people around us or some of the people that we relate to, and we are going to attempt to learn some body parts. I know we had done the people, but we've never covered the body parts. So today is the day, and we are using our things book. So this is my Fun Swahili book of things, VITU. All right, awesome. So let's get started. Fresh Bros, I know we haven't reviewed this in a minute. I know why you're looking forward to that page. But do you remember the relationships over here, Fresh Bro 12?
No.
What is father or dad?
Baba.
Okay, what is mom or mother?
Mama.
Good job. What is a child or a baby?
Mtoto.
Good job. Brother.
Kaka or ndugu.
Good job. Sister.
Dada.
Cousin.
Binamu.
Grandmother.
Bibi or nyanya.
Beautiful. Grandfather.
Babu.
Beautiful. Neighbor.
Jirani.
Beautiful. Uncle.
Mjomba.
Auntie.
Shangazi.
Friend.
Rafiki.
Beautiful. Now let me see if you can remember those. All right. What is father?
Baba.
Mom or mother?
Mama.
Beautiful. Child.
Mtoto.
Brother.
Kaka or ndugu.
Sister.
Dada.
Cousin.
Binamu.
Grandmother.
Nyanya.
Great job. Grandfather.
Grandfather is Babu.
Neighbor.
Jirani.
Beautiful. Uncle. Mjomba. Beautiful. Auntie.
Shangazi.
Friend. Rafiki. Beautiful. Awesome. High five. Yeah, Rafiki is from that. That means friend.
I gave you a high five.
Awesome. All right, so now we are going to learn sehemu za mwili. Sehemu za mwili is body parts. So I'm going to put the book over here so that you can see them. What is body called? What is body called? Sit up so that we can see. What is body called? Body is mwili. Say mwili. Good job. Head is kichwa. Head is
Kichwa.
beautiful. Hair is nywele.
Nywele.
Good job. Face is uso. Good job. Eyes. Eye is jicho. Say jicho.
Majicho.
Or if it's eyes, it's
Majicho.
macho. Great attempt, but it's macho.
Oh, someone said majicho.
Right. So it's macho. So one is jicho, many is macho. Beautiful. Ear or ears
Is
sikio or masikio. Put on your masikio. Listening ears, masikio. All right, beautiful.
Jicho.
All right.
Jicho.
And what is nose? Nose is
Pua. Mdomo.
good job. What is mouth?
Mdomo.
Mdomo. Good job. What is, stay in the camera for me, love. What is lips?
Midomo.
Good job. All right. What is?
What, bro?
Sit up for me. All right. What is mouth?
Mdomo or
kinywa. Mdomo, not midomo.
Or
Mdomo
kinywa.
or kinywa. What is lips?
Midomo.
Very good. What is tongue or tongue?
Ulimi or ndimi.
Okay, so one tongue is ulimi and tongues is ndimi. Good job. What is teeth? Tooth or teeth?
Gino or meno.
Remember we were talking about that today? What happened to your Gino?
Came out.
And what did I tell you? Like to say you lost your teeth is nilipoteza Gino. Very good. But if you had lost many, it would be nilipoteza meno. Beautiful. What is buttocks or bum?
Matako.
What is buttocks or bum?
Matako.
Good job. What is leg or legs or foot?
Migu or migu.
Mguu is one.
Mgu
And
or
then
migu. But we all have migu.
Migu. Beautiful. All right. And then what is knee or knees?
Goti is knee. Magoti is
Goti or magoti. Goti is one.
Gota.
Yeah, and then knees is magoti. Beautiful. What is neck? Neck, shingo. What is hand or hands?
Mikono or mikono.
Very good. What's shoulder or shoulders?
Bega or madega.
Very good. What is fingers? Finger or
Kidole is fingers.
okay, so
Fingers,
one
not
finger is kidole. Many fingers is
Vidole.
vidole. Good job. What is nails?
Kucha.
Kucha, and that's good for like one nail is kucha. Many nails are kucha still. All right. What is stomach or belly?
Tumbo.
Tumbo. What is brain?
Tumbo. Ubongo.
Ubongo. Remember the right. Remember ubongo, kids? So brain. All right. So do you remember the song that goes kichwa mabega magoti
Migu, magoti, migu, magoti.
Right. So that's a song. Kichwa mabega magoti miguu. That means head, shoulders, knees. Well, actually, legs.
Head,
Kichwa.
shoulders, knees, and toes.
Right. They don't
Knees and
do.
toes, head.
In Swahili, it seems like they do legs instead of toes. All right. So, and then we are going to review one more time, and then we wrap this up. All right. Ready? Ready? What is body?
Mwili.
Head.
Kichwa.
Hair.
Nywele.
Face.
Uso.
Eyes.
Jicho or macho.
Ears.
Sikio or masikio.
Masikio. Nose.
Pua.
Mouth.
Mdomo or kinywa.
Lips.
Midomo.
Tongue.
Ulimi or ndimi.
Tooth. Teeth.
Meno.
Buttocks. Bum.
Matako.
Legs. Foot.
Miguu or miguu.
Knee. Knees.
Goti or magoti.
Neck.
Shingo.
Hand.
Mkono or mikono.
Shoulder.
Bega mabega.
Fingers.
Kidole.
Vidole. Nails.
Kucha.
Stomach. Belly.
Tumbo.
Brain.
Ubongo.
Very nice. Good job. Now we just need to review that, kids. We haven't done body parts before, so review that several times until you remember all those body parts. And with that, we are going to wrap up. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. And again, even though we are not able to do a video every time, please keep watching. Keep learning. Make sure you have your book all the time, and that you can open a book and learn just like we did. That just takes about 5 minutes. Thank you, Fresh Pros. Kwaherini. We love you.
Bye.
Tutaonana. Fresh Mommy out. Asanteni. Bye-bye. Peace.